Hey there car enthusiasts. Today we are taking a look at the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. If you're someone who takes pride in keeping your car clean and looking its best, then this is the perfect car cleaning tool for you. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is designed to clean those hard-to-reach places in your car, such as the air vents, steering wheel, console panel, and door handles. It's super easy to use. Simply push the cleaning gel into little cracks, and the dust will be carried away. Plus, it's friendly to your car as it's made from natural materials. Not only can this automotive dust cleaning gel be used in your car, but it's also perfect for home and office use. You can use it to clean electronics, computer keyboards, cell phones, and even furniture. And the best part? It's reusable. You can use it multiple times until it turns black. Then simply store it in a cool, dry place for future use. So, if you're ready to keep your car looking spotless and shiny, click the link in the description to get your hands on the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. And remember, if you have any issues with your order, just reach out to us and we'll make it right. Happy cleaning!